College Buni Fibro Session Part Kajing Tip Namta Kubar Light Kamikai Tekidon Kumba Khat Pratli Baro Kipos Kamikai Kibalat Kidon Kibadai na ki deficit but kidon kibom deru deficit te sapai but sa le hi kabdon kam kiba don ka qualification but kiba kwa ban apply tiang ne pejmenta te kane shwa gawi ban kong one assistant teacher at Jata RCLP school Jata ka ba mau kan rebu block ka minimum qualification ke deban long ba pide ban dep ya class 12 with 50% nam ta ki general but 100% nam ta ki SC candidate should possess 2-year diploma fiap don be ya ka asnem ka diploma lane ka sausnem BE bachelor in elementary education lane asnem ka diploma in education kabadai jongki special education te hangne ada mention clearly ba ye ki ba pendep ya ka khat phrabnai ka DLED na ka NIOS kinom sha arab na apply excluding mudba ki badep ada ka NIOS kinom la arab na apply la lupa excluding ya ki NIOS the candidate possess lower primary MTech certificate pidem don ba nam ta ka post LP phiap don ba ka LP MTech certificate the upper age limit la dap aing tu sau post name nam ta ki still caste still tribe life of pras name nam ta ki OBC ka salary ka deficit system. Interested candidate may submit their application in standard form along with relevant documents to the Secretary of the Managing Committee on or before 20 July 2024. Kelas dit kandai R4 July arjarap sau. Kontak nomor ladap ai hangne atli kontak nomor kandai sau lai nru wei nru sau nru nyo kandai bat pra nyo ar kandai pra nyo wei not te namta gijing tip khamne phaban phone hi yekini nomor ladap ai room. Kene ka one assistant teacher at Wei Soping Lower Primary School Wei Soping Mausenram ka po Mausenram block kajuhi minimum qualification kajuhi class 12 50% general 45% ST kane rukum juhi debendap ya ka DLED lane ka BE lane DLED in special education the like no iki NIOS kinom sha araban apply ladap ong lupa excluding te kadai jongki LP habdon ya LP MTech certificate cooperation limit kadai saupho nam tagi SC matlai pram ta OBC ka salary kadai deficit system te kelas dit kandai R4 July arjarap sau kiba ko apply but ada airu I kontak number filawan kontak nam ta gijing tip khamne hangne ai lightly kontak number kandai lai nriu new san prawe kandai ba ar new not prasan lai nriu san sau pra ar balai prakna nhiều sau khandai pra nriu pra san te nam ta gijing te bakhamne sobha kontak hi yekine ki number ke balai kabalai kane rukum ju hi nam ta ki LP hi de deficit hi one assistant teacher at Nong Rin Niao RCLP school Nong te tho Nong Rin Niao ne tho Nong Tan Niao tom le Southwest Khasi Hill district kabah po Southwest Khasi Hill district te ka ju hi minimum qualification de kum ju hi class 12 at 50% nam tagi general but 100% nam tagi SC when dap ya DLED asnem lane ka BE lane ka diploma in education special education hangne should possess LP MTech upper age limit kane saupo la life pra kane de under deficit system kelas dit kane be arpunru tarik kane arpunru tarik July kan mawa adap airu number phone de kandai sau not arway lightway kandai new sun Hawan page kat kum ki post ke ko apply ba sa kontak ki tu number dabai sakawai biang one assistant teacher at Maublang RCLP school Maublang ka ba po mau kan ro block the qualification de kum ju hin mar ba de jong LP DLED lane 4 years BE lane 2 years diploma in education special education te hangner la tho clearly ba ya ki ba pendep ya ka NIOS kinom sha araban apply ni benda be LPM tet operation mit ladap ong lupa saupo life pra te ka tulop ka be deficit system te kan wa hang ne last date kandai R4 July arja sau kontak nomor ladap ai khnai sau lai in ruway nru sau nru yo khandai bat pranyo ar khandai pra nyo wei not te nang don biang te hang ne biang sa kini na po Southwest Khasi Hill one assistant teacher at St. John Bosco RCLP School, Plang Di Loin, Southwest Khasi Hill District. The qualification gini kumju weja class 12 at 50% general candidate 45% ST 2 year dilet kum tatar kum kam ada ban patai biang pion de LPM tet ko perishmet di kumju te form along with 11 documents on or before 26 July kan ka last date kay 26 July uru number phone news secretary ladap ai hangne khandai saunot arway laiway khandai nyosan te kiba kwa on apply sa phone di number ladap ai sakane ko weru umjo hi tu aston teacher arngot hangne RCLPL School Umsau Southwest Khasil District po mokorati qualification di kumju hi di bandar make LPM tet ko punishment di kumju hi kadai deficit hi gineru kelas date kadai R 3 Julai R jarap sau ada pai kontak nomor kandai sau not arway laiway kandai nyosan te kibakwa apply sa kontak ki nomor ada pai. And can I go away with the walk-in interview will be conducted on the 29 July 2024 at 11 a.m. in the office of the Joy Presbyterian Church Mission Compound Joy for the following post namta kini post assistant teacher in the Grace English School Jama dari Morigao District kini post kidai hapo Assam Morigao District the lightly post on assistant teacher general BA pass with DLED lightly post of science teacher BSc with DLED Tehang tu lalai ka skill of pay kedai prajar newspa hadu kakut hadu kan 2000 sauspa andrupau te kan poi kan nong tibre la bendai 10,000 la bendai tam yang ata la bendai taru te kat kum kan ka skill of pay lalai yang tu te interested candidate kiba kwa ban apply kini post kan mau kadai po Assam along with the certificate in original ya la ban lek hakatu kasni kontak nomor ada pai hne khandai sau lai indru lai not san lai sau kan mau kini ki post indru tali kan dei ka direct interview phira ik document sujong phi pinlai hapok office of the Joy President Church aka arp khnai ter July nada phi kwa ban le hikai school hapo kini ki hapo kan district Jama dari Morigao district and second way required one pre-primary teacher at Nongmadan pre-primary school. Minimum qualification class 12 with 50%, 45% namtaki STSC, 50% namtaki general, and diploma in nursery teacher education and a preschool education and a early childhood education program of not less than 2 years. Operation limit ATB kadai sapho namtaki SC/ST life plan ta OBC. Kane bre kadai under ad hoc grant teki badan kiba kwa apply kila ban apply ling baga standard form te namta kijing tip kiba khamne phila ban kontak ro ina number new not pra san an riu khandai new license kelas date kandai ar 3 Julai arhajar arp sau te secondary ko we ko post kaneru kandai sapo Southwest Khasil one assistant teacher at St John Paul RCLP kedai jongi lower primary hi Maupat Southwest Khasil district qualification di kumju hi DLED BEd kumta DLED barok demendan wiaka dilet lenega 4 years BE umta dater demendan wiak LPM tet operation limit de Saupo la life pram tagi OBC Saupo tagi SCST kedega deficit system te last date kendai ar 3 Julai kontak nomor de kendai saunot arway laiway kendai nyosan ki bakwa apply sa kontak itu ki nomor badla ya bulan kam. And next one assistant teacher one Hindi teacher mudba arngot hangne way de one assistant teacher ko way de Hindi teacher at Nong Pathau secondary school Nong Pathau BPO Dingyay tela dapat itu BPO dia po Dingyay area tai qualification phe dependent ya ka BA but BEd salary ke de ad hoc system age limit as per government norms kum tatar te last date kan de 3 Julai ar jarap sau ka tarik interview kin sa pentip hadin kontak nomor te phila ban kali jing tip khamne kontak nomor adap ai khandai sau lai indru khandai san phra bat dai lai indru san lai new indru ar new tenam ta Hindi teacher ngat try phaban sim phaban puli Hindi hadu class 12 na kumno te phaban kali benia baha ikiru ki nomor ki bladap ai sakane ko ipat one assistant teacher at Thiding Presbyterian Upper Primary School Thiding Mosenram kana Depok Mosenram ka minimum qualification kadai BSc lane with DLED lane BEd kawai phila ban DLED na phila ban BEd phila ban apply lane bro artaliru phila ban apply kane kadai jongki upper primary te ko pare limit kan de bech sa post name nam tagi STSC but live pras name nam tagi OBC aslari ke de ad hoc system te ki candidate ki de bendap be yaka agde bendon be yaka UP MTET certificate te ki bakwa on apply ke apply lang ba standard form de kelas dit kan de ar putri Julai kontak nomor ladap ai kandai lai ndem riu sunway not nyolai te ki bakwa mat badon interest kila ban kontak hi kila ban phone hi ekine ki post kami kai ki bla de pelat hang de baro komba khan riu khan yo tali baro te tangine ki juptep khule jubun